if you mix pine needles with sugar water, you'll get a carbonated soda that tastes like Sprite. When I heard about this, I had to try it out for myself, and that's what we're gonna do today. First, I added some needles from a white pine. Now a couple spoonfuls of sugar. Then I'll fill it up with water, leaving some space at the top. And I'm using flip top bottles for this. They can handle high pressure. Then I'll give it a good shake. I'm also gonna try a batch using some maple syrup I made. I'll use this instead of the sugar. I'll add a couple spoonfuls. Then I'll give that a shake. Then I'll let these sit for 3 to 5 days. So I have some bottles up here that have been sitting for 4 days. I'm gonna break one of these open and see how it turned out. So far it's looking good and bubbling. The yeast on the pine needles ferments the sugar, then produces carbon dioxide, which is where the carbonation comes from. That's actually pretty good. It's not as carbonated as normal soda, but still pretty fizzy.